Hi, it's Michael Trigg here, the Presentation Maestro. And this little video is all about inspiring confidence in those you lead and those whom you serve. And there's no difference really, except it's now on video. And a lot of people think, oh God, face with the camera, what do I look like, what do I sound like, what kit do I use, etc. It's no different, but there are certain do's and don'ts about doing it on video. But let me just preface this with a little fact. The last 200,000 years or so of mankind's development have shown us a thing or two about our species. Namely that we tend to gravitate towards people, we tend to follow them, we tend to be inspired by people who display certain leadership characteristics, which include certain purposeful gestures, a deep tonality of voice, and also crystal clarity of message. So how do you do it in the meantime? Well, namely, talk to them and let them get used to seeing you too on video. So play with videos, send WhatsApp messages, send little videos on LinkedIn. But with each message that you put out, have an intent for it, have a purpose, and state that purpose fairly early on. And also, give them a bit of hope. We all need hope at these times. That life, eventually this will finish. We'll get through this. We'll get through it stronger and we'll be different to the other side. But get through it we will. And tell them what's happening, as well as giving them some hope. Just be transparent, be open, and be warm and human. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay safe. Bye for now.